uh, your education or qualifications, you are master of art or
I did 4 years painting and sculpture course.
you have done a short course?
Sorry?
Short course you have done short
Yeah,
course?
I'm joining the charter.
Short course. From which university?
Sorry?
From which college?
I'm in here, the college in different college in Goa.
Acha, that is. How long have you been portraiting?
Just 15 minutes.
No, but
Oh,
since
sorry, because I am doing the portrait since 2015.
2015. Good. So you can do it within 15 days, 15 minutes.
15 minutes I'm completing.
It's a great claim. So dear, what's your name?
I'm Geet. Geet.
Geet.
Yes, Geet.
Oh, song.
Yes, song.
Wow, yeah, great. So these are the drawing papers. What is the charges? What are the charges for
3,000 rupees for one portrait, single portrait. Couple portrait 5,000 rupees.
for a single? How much?
3,000 rupees.
3,000 rupees. And for double?
Couple portrait 5,000.
5,000 rupees. Great, yeah, great. So you live here in Gale?
I'm living here near by the Gold Town.
Gold Tower. Very nice. It's a very beautiful city,
Yeah, definitely very beautiful city. You can
and
see so many
people
things.
come from far away.
Yeah.
Visitors, especially. Which countries they mostly come?
This country means so many these days. So many Indians people come.
Indians also come.
Indians
Chinese,
also, and Chinese and
right.
Russians or
Russians also. Spain,
Spain.
great, wonderful. I am very happy to meet you. Yeah.
Happy to meet you, sir.
So,
Okay.
thank you.